marriage is no longer a guaranteed happily ever after. Divorce rates are higher than ever before. But why? What's happening to the sacred institution of marriage? And what's driving so many couples to call it quits? The rise of divorce. Once upon a time, divorce was rare, taboo even. But fast forward to today, and the numbers speak for themselves. Studies show that nearly 50% of marriages end in divorce. In some countries, this rate has even surpassed 60%. But why is it so high? Changing social norms marriage has shifted from a societal obligation to an individual pursuit of fulfillment, with divorce seen as a viable option when those needs aren't met. Unrealistic expectations also play a huge role. With social media and television showing a glossy, perfect image of relationships, many couples expect their marriages to mirror that fantasy. The pressure to maintain a picture-perfect life can lead to disillusionment when reality doesn't measure up. Lack of communication and emotional connection, communication breakdowns, are one of the leading causes of divorce. Financial strain and stress. Financial strain, money problems, including debt and financial stress, are a major source of marital conflict, often leading to arguments and resentment. The stigma of divorce, once seen as shameful, is now viewed as a legitimate solution to an unhappy marriage, with less social stigma attached. Impact on children and society. Divorce may provide relief, but it can have deep, lasting emotional and psychological effects, especially on children, shaping their future relationships. How to reduce divorce rates. So, what can we do to change the trend? First, communication is key. Couples who talk openly about their feelings, challenges, and dreams are more likely to stay connected. Investing in the health of a relationship, seeking professional help when needed, and focusing on mutual respect and understanding can go a long way. Conclusion: divorce is challenging, but with effort, understanding, and communication, many relationships can overcome obstacles and thrive. What do you think are the biggest challenges in relationships today? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.